Okay, so welcome to this next segment in the A-Series how-to videos. And now we're looking at setting gas pressures on the unit, okay? And on the A-Series unit, that's really straightforward. It's different than the VT for lots of different ways. First of all, we've made some changes. The gas pressure test points have been resized, so they're much easier to get a manometer hose on, right, which is actually quite a bit of a bonus here. I'm going to struggle to try and force the hose on like you used to maybe with a VT. The second thing is, on the VT you actually have to make a manual setting on the valve. On the A-Series that's no longer necessary. The valve isn't touched at all, all the controls are done via the PCB. Okay, and that's what we're going to look at now in a bit more close up. Okay, so what we've done again here is, for ease of filming, we pulled the board out of the unit. In reality, you're not going to need to do that. The board stays in and it's easy to access. We've also removed the safety cover from the unit, and again, in reality, you'd leave that in place. Okay, so this is just to enable us to shoot the video a little bit clearer. Okay, now we're making an assumption here that you've checked the gas inlet pressure to the unit. Okay, and that's all set and within QE, and that information is on the data plate and also in the operation manual for the appliance. Okay, so we're zoomed in a bit closer to the board so you can see what's going on. So to get into the mode to set the high and low gas pressures is really easy. Again, we're working on these push buttons, and we're going to push the very, very bottom one, okay, here, and that's going to turn an L on, which means you're in low burner mode. Okay, so obviously then you'd have the appliance running. We haven't got it running today because obviously that'd be too noisy and we wouldn't be able to hear what I'm saying, which of course would be a disappointment for you. And then obviously the appliance is running, so then what we would do is we'd use the two buttons above it, this button here and this button here, to go either plus or minus on the gas pressure setting. Okay, obviously we've got our manometer connected, we're reading the pressure on the manometer. Okay, we're in low burner mode and we're adjusting the pressures up or down to meet the low pressure setting that's on the appliance data plate. Okay, that's on the side of the unit, so you know where that is, and basically adjusting it up or down to get the pressure set. Once you've got the low burner set, okay, what you then do is you'd press the bottom button again, and that should put it into high mode. The unit will then go into forced high. Okay, so it's running in forced high. Again, you've got your manometer connected, and again you're using these two buttons here to adjust the gas pressure either up or down to get the set point correct for the high burner mode. Okay, so here we've finished setting our high burner settings, and we need to go and get the unit back into normal running mode. So what we do is we press this bottom button again, and that basically takes us out of the high and the low burner mode setting. We're back into normal operation for the unit. Okay, obviously then we disconnect our manometer, make sure the pressure test point is nice and screwed up. Don't over tighten it, else we will strip the thread and that won't be very good. And then we're all good to go. Okay, that ends this segment on setting high and low gas pressures.